As a homeowner in Dallas, you know how important it is to maintain the comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal of your home. Windows play a crucial role in ensuring your home stays energy efficient, secure, and aesthetically pleasing. However, like all parts of your home, windows don't last forever. Over time, they can become worn, inefficient, or damaged. Knowing the signs that it's time for a window replacement is key to maintaining a comfortable and efficient home in Dallas. Here are some clear indicators that it may be time to replace your windows. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacement is feeling drafts or temperature fluctuations near the windows. If your windows aren't sealed properly or have worn out weather stripping, you may notice cold air seeping in during the winter or hot air entering during the summer. This can lead to increased reliance on your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable temperature, causing higher energy bills. In Dallas, where temperatures can swing dramatically between the hot summer months and chilly winter evenings, energy-efficient windows are especially important. If your windows are allowing air to escape or enter, it's time to consider a replacement to improve insulation and reduce your energy costs. Condensation between glass panes is another telltale sign that your windows need replacing, as the appearance of condensation between the glass panes. This is a clear indication that the seals of your double or triple pane windows have failed. The trapped moisture between the panes not only obstructs your view but can also compromise the insulation properties of your windows. This issue can lead to higher energy bills and poor temperature regulation in your home. If you notice condensation inside your window panes, it's a good idea to consider replacing your windows to restore their efficiency and appearance. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If you find it increasingly difficult to open, close, or lock your windows, it may be a sign of underlying issues. Over time, windows can warp, the frames can shift, or the hardware can break down, making the windows difficult to operate. This is not only frustrating but can also compromise the security of your home, especially if the windows don't lock properly. In Dallas, where summer storms and security concerns are common, it's essential that your windows open and close with ease, as well as lock securely. If you're struggling with your windows, it might be time to replace them with new, easy-to-operate models that provide both convenience and security. Visible damage or wear. If your windows are cracked, chipped, or showing signs of extensive wear and tear, it's an obvious sign that replacement is necessary. Broken glass or cracked frames can reduce your window's energy efficiency and pose a safety hazard. If your windows are beyond repair, replacing them will not only restore your home's appearance but will also improve its security. Dallas experiences extreme weather, including hailstorms, that can cause visible damage to windows. If your windows have suffered from storm damage or general wear, it's time to replace them to avoid further complications. Increased energy bills. If you notice a sudden spike in your energy bills without a significant change in your usage, your windows could be to blame. Old or damaged windows are often a major culprit behind energy inefficiency. Single-pane windows, in particular, offer very little insulation and allow both heat and cold to escape easily. Even double-pane windows can lose their effectiveness if their seals have failed. Replacing old or inefficient windows with energy-efficient models can help keep your home's temperature stable, reduce your reliance on heating and cooling systems, and lower your energy bills in the long run. Fading interior furnishings. Over time, the sun's ultraviolet (UV) rays can cause damage to your furniture, flooring, and other interior elements, leading to fading and deterioration. If you notice that your furniture, carpets, or curtains are fading faster than they should, your windows might not be offering adequate UV protection. Modern windows, especially those with low emissivity coatings, help block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to filter through. If your windows aren't protecting your home from the sun's damaging rays, replacing them with new, UV-blocking windows can preserve your interior furnishings and keep your home looking fresh for longer. Outdated or unattractive windows. Sometimes, the reason for window replacement is simply aesthetic. If your windows are outdated or no longer complement the style of your home, replacing them can greatly improve your home's curb appeal. Whether your windows have peeling paint, faded frames, or simply don't match the rest of your home's design, upgrading to new windows can give your home a fresh, modern look. In Dallas, where the real estate market is competitive, investing in new windows can also increase the resale value of your home and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Noise intrusion. Living in a bustling city like Dallas means dealing with noise from traffic, construction, or neighbors. If you notice that outside noise is becoming a major disturbance in your home, it may be time to replace your windows. Older windows often have poor sound insulation, allowing noise to easily enter your living space. Newer, energy-efficient windows with multiple panes and better insulation can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, helping to create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Conclusion. If you're experiencing any of these issues with your windows, it's time to consider replacing them. Whether you're dealing with drafts, condensation, difficulty opening and closing your windows, or rising energy costs, replacing your windows will not only improve your home's comfort and appearance but also enhance its energy efficiency and security. By investing in window replacement, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, a more comfortable living space, and a significant increase in your home's value. Don't wait. Take action today to enjoy the many benefits of new windows in your Dallas home.